Hey guys, in this full 2025 guide, I'll show you how to build AI agents from scratch in Relevance AI so you can automate tasks and workflows easily. First, log into Relevance AI and create a new project. Click Create Agent and give it a name and description. Choose the type of agent you want, for example, a chat assistant, data analyzer, or automation bot. Next, define its capabilities like accessing databases, sending notifications, or performing calculations. Set up the triggers and actions that will make your agent respond automatically. You can also integrate external APIs or tools to expand its functionality. Test your agent using the built-in simulator to make sure it behaves as expected. Once everything works, deploy it and monitor its activity from the dashboard. And that's how to build AI agents from scratch in Relevance AI. If this helps you start automating your workflows, don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tutorials.